welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you a tour of this farm right now. My cousin is making a video too. I just make sure you go check it out. She's making the tour too.
So go follow her. It's Kinley Babushka. Capital K and capital B.
Okay, so first. Oh gosh, it's so windy out today. First we have this, our porch. So we just got a table and some chairs and a swing, that good stuff, and the mini fridge over there. Okay, that's the first thing on the list. So, I do gymnastics, I don't know if you know that, but I have the beam to do gymnastics on. This is jump board. It's a game. I'll show you in another video. And this way, we have a tire swing. Oh yeah, that's really fun. A swing. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. And now we're gonna go over here. Oh, sorry guys, that's my case to my iPad, sorry. So this is the flower bed. And this is the where you park the cars and stuff. Yeah. Okay. Moving on this way, we have so this is our front yard. I'm just showing you the whole front yard. So this is just what we have, like our gardening thingy. Don't really know what that's called, but it's like in front of the front door. And here's the front door we don't use. We use the back door a lot. And yeah, the porch. Just some more of that and that. Okay, and now we have the yard. So yeah, we have a lot of fire ant hills here. Yeah, we kill them a lot. And we have that same stuff. Okay. So this is our basketball court. I don't know if you guys can see. Sorry, there's the sun. Okay, that's good. This is the basketball court. I like to play basketball. Me and my cousin do and stuff. So there's a basketball goal. I love basketball. I don't play it though. I play it at home. And then we already saw this stuff. We already saw this stuff. So one play and that stuff. Okay. Now, I don't have no wireless around. Okay. This is the table in front of the garden. This is the farm's garden. Pretty big. I'm planting stuff. So yeah. Moving away this way. This is where my grandpa parks his car. It's just like a little garage thingy. I don't know what it is. A lawnmower. That stuff. It's also a four-wheeler. My aunt and my baby cousin in there. Oh yeah. What's there? Oh yeah. Shop. So I'll show you guys the first thing in that. So like this is their shop where we keep some stuff and we have parties sometimes. Yeah, party. Yeah. I'll get her like a cool bit of it. I have a sucker in my mouth. That's why I talk to you. This is really tall. It's really big too. Picnic table. And I'm gonna show you where my aunt and my uncle stay at my grandma's farm. So they're having a house built, but it hasn't been built yet. And they have a trailer over here. They're staying, going to the thing. I'm bringing the horses. That's there, and the cars. So it's a trailer. Yeah. Let's go through. So, geez, I just choked. So, here's the end of the garden. You can see that clearly. That's what we have. And about like one more thing. And before, well, actually two. So this is in a box. Post. Okay. And the most biggest part about it is the field that we have. We do. Take that way right now. I don't know what's wrong with it today. I'm choking on nothing. Okay. So we have cows, and that is the humongous field. It's way bigger than you can see it right now. And you can see the cows now. Like 30 or something. And yeah. That's pretty much it for today. Make sure you subscribe already.